I want to share with you the top 10 proposal software solutions to actually simplify your proposal process this year. So here's a review I want you to pay attention to. I want to first talk to you about Prospero. When you think about Prospero, I want you to think about a good proposal management software for freelancers looking for an affordable but complete solution. And this software provides users with a simple editor as well as a large library of professionally designed templates for a variety of purposes. So that's really fantastic. Let me give you an example. Prospero actually offers both web design and web development proposal templates. In addition to that, Prospero makes communicating with clients easy because it allows you to actually close deals via phone, email, and even WhatsApp. That's just fantastic. And it really also send a real-time notifications via a Slack integration, so you will never miss important updates. And we also love the fact that Prospero provides useful document analytics to help you create better proposals, such as open rates and how long prospective clients spend actually reading your proposal. So that's really fantastic. So when you think about Prospero, some of the key features I want you to think about, the key modules. You have an extensive library of templates, multiple e-signature options on any device, payments with Stripe, integrations with tools like Zapier, QuickBooks, and Slack, and you have chat support. Number 2, I want to share with you PandaDoc. And PandaDoc is really a highly rated proposal software that has a comprehensive range of features to streamline the bidding and contract management process. And what we love within PandaDoc is that the editor is intuitive and very easy to use. For instance, you can drag and drop ready-made blocks with pre-designed elements for proposals. Available blocks include a pricing table, table of content, and also an e-signature. So you have a flexibility there. You have efficiency. Fantastic. Now, what we have seen is that PandaDoc actually differentiates itself through its mobile app, which actually enables you to manage every step of the process from your smartphone. So that's really excellent. So the key feature is when you think about PandaDoc, you have close to 1,000 proposal templates from every niche, from every industry. You have electronic signature capabilities, multiple payment types, including credit cards and PayPal. You have integrations with tools like HubSpot and Salesforce. And you also have a 24/7 web support, email support, ticket support, chat support. Fantastic. Next, if you're thinking about the best proposal software to simplify the proposal process, think about Loopio. And Loopio actually can help you fast track the proposal making process and create SOWs, statements of work, white papers, RFIs, RFPs, and sales proposals. And Loopio actually uses automation to find and suggest the most appropriate answers to questions you may receive after sending the proposals. So that's really good because you have an extra layer of artificial intelligence here. And additionally, Loopio lets you create a library of pre-approved content that your sales team can use for creating proposals more effectively. So this is kind of similar to the reuse feature that you have in some software. And however, since the information provided on Loopio's website is kind of limited, its capabilities when it comes to payments and e-signatures are not really clear. But when you think about Loopio, the key features, the key modules I want you to pay attention to, you have an intuitive interface, so the UX and UI are really great. You have project themes and templates. You have library templates and automation features. And you also have integrations with popular CRM software. Next, you have Proposify. So Proposify is actually pretty interesting because this is another popular choice when it comes to business proposal software. Its design editor is pretty straightforward, so that's really good from a UX and UI perspective. And you can easily embed visual content like images, videos, and even audios within your proposal. And thanks to the user role and permission features, it is a great tool for businesses looking to optimize approval workflows. So if you're interested in sort of optimizing your accountability platform, or even your accountability initiatives, you will love Proposify. Additionally, Proposify offers interactive pricing, helping you take advantage of upsell and cross-sell opportunities. You also get access to visually appealing reports that make it easy to analyze your proposal's performance. So that's really cool. And what we love is that in terms of affordability, you will love Proposify because it costs about $35 to $49 per user for up to 10 users. you'll need to contact its sales department for information on plans that can accommodate larger teams. So the key features you can expect if you go with Proposify include you have unlimited templates and documents, legally binding e-signatures, roles and permissions settings, payments using Stripe, and you also have email and chat support. So fantastic. If you're thinking about the top 10 best proposal software to simplify your proposal process, think about GetAccept. And when you think about GetAccept, think about a comprehensive solution to help your team craft effective and professional looking proposals. And with GetAccept, you can actually build proposals from scratch or use pre-designed proposal templates from the content library and easily add your company's brand. So you are speaking about moving faster. You have the ability to actually customize a proposal real fast. And using its user-friendly editor, it's also possible to add video introductions to show off your products or services, or an automated chat message to better communicate with prospective clients. And this is really good. And we also love the fact that GetAccept allows an unlimited number of users, unlike other proposal software that we have actually seen so far, right? So the key modules, the key capabilities to actually expect when you go with GetAccept, you have customizable templates, legally binding e-signatures, GetAccept mobile app. You have more than 500 integrations with popular agency tools, and you have a help center and chat support. So that's really fantastic. Next, you have Responsive, and Responsive is actually is proposal collaboration software that enables large teams of sales representatives to efficiently create proposals and other sales documents. And it uses AI and machine learning to help craft proposals in record time. So that's really good in terms of agility, in terms of speed, in terms of optimization, in terms of efficiency. You will love Responsive. You will also be able to create multiple template versions, then catalog and share them in a library. Plus, it really integrates with several collaboration tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, and Google Hangouts. And managers can also gain visibility into team members' workloads in order to reassign tasks related to proposal creation and also provide feedback. Okay, so the key features here when you think about Responsive, you have template version recommendations and content library. You have unlimited onboarding inside and outside your organization. You also have integrations with CRM and other popular software. You also have an e-signature tool. So this is kind of cool in terms of having a holistic platform. Next, I want to share with you when you think about the best proposal software to simplify the proposal process, think about Quiller. So when you think about Quiller, I want you to think about a tool that is packed with features to help you create interactive proposals of every kind. And this business proposal software, it has an intuitive drag and drop editor. So what you see is what you get. And this drag and drop editor lets you embed engaging content like dynamic pricing and videos. It also makes it very easy to add branding elements and customize colors and fonts to create professionally branded proposals. On top of that, Quiller lets you add a return on investment calculator directly into your proposals, helping you to showcase your value to potential clients. And we think that this ROI add-on is really, really unique. And this is where Quiller actually adds a lot of value. And you also be able to create an asset library to streamline your team's workflow. So what are the key features here? When you think about Quiller, think about an extensive template library, legally compliant e-signatures, comprehensive payment features, client engagement tracking, and you have integrations with popular CRMs like HubSpot and Salesforce. Next, you have Nusi. When you think about Nusi, think about business proposal software that is actually geared towards creative agencies. It offers templates for a number of purposes, from branding to web design proposals. That's really good. And so what we love about the Nusi is that you are able to get things done a lot faster because it has a large template library. It has valid digital signatures. You have payments with Stripe. You have integrations with software tools like HubSpot and Zapier, and you have chat and email support. And to make the proposal writing process easier, save content for future use and easily add it along with your prices to your templates. And the Nusi will also send notifications once clients open the proposal emails and the proposal files, helping you manage really the sales cycle better. So you have a clear idea what's really working and what's not. So that's really fantastic because it allows you over time to have a clear idea about the trends in the industry and also how competitive your proposals are. Right? If clients are continuously opening up proposals and not answering at all, then you know that you have some kind of a attractiveness problem, right? Either it is too expensive or not compelling enough. So this is something that will help you out because you can actually it's an iteration process. Next, I want to share with you better proposals. If you're thinking about the best proposal software to simplify the proposal process, think about better proposals. And with better proposals, you don't need design skills to create beautiful proposals because its drag and drop editor makes the process fairly simple. And in addition to proposals, this software helps you create other document types, including quotes, brochures, job offers, and contracts. And this makes it a great solution, in our view, a holistic one for small businesses and freelancers looking for a complete solution to manage the entire project management cycle. And in terms of notifications and tracking, better proposals let you know when a document has been received, opened, or even forwarded. In terms of key features, you have more than 500 templates, legally binding e-signature model. You are able to collect payments with Stripe, PayPal, and Go Cardless through ACH. So that's really good because you have a lot of other tools that only stick to a Stripe or stick to PayPal only. So this one is really good because it goes further. You have integrations with Zapier, Salesforce, and other popular tools, and you have help. You have a tool to help documents in terms of support. You have live chat, and you also have onboarding calls. But this is for the premium plan and above. The next one I want to share with you, BitSketch. When you think about BitSketch, think about construction industry. Think about general contractors. Okay, so while creating and sending proposals it's BitSketch's main focus. The software also lets you create custom landing pages for each client. Plus, it comes with web-based analytics to help you create better proposals and instant notifications so you know when to follow up with clients. So that's really good. Unlike other software tools, BitSketch lets you create unlimited proposals. Higher tier plans also include real-time collaboration features and permission controls. And if you want to use this proposal writing software for a non-profit organization, you'll get access to the starter plan, which will set you back at around 15 to 20 bucks per month. In terms of features that we love, the more prominent modules, you have a template library, you have legally binding e-signatures, you have integrations with Zapier, Salesforce, and Signwell, and you'll have also proposal analytics. So that's really fantastic. So let's talk about the considerations here. So when we talk about the top 10 best proposal software to simplify the proposal process, it really helps to go back to proposal software 101. What is it? So proposal software is any platform, tool, or application that helps business professionals craft and manage proposals. It typically enables users to organize proposals more efficiently and automate key steps in the process, streamlining their workflow and boosting productivity. And most quality proposal management software offer paid plans so user can access all its features. And that's really good. And so there are certain factors to consider when choosing proposal software tools, right? You want to look at the ease of use. You want to look at electronic signature availability. You want to think about analytics. You want to have customer support. And you also want to pay attention to affordability. In other words, pricing. Let me break it down for you. So when I speak about ease of use, what do I mean really? I mean, first of all, yeah, of course, the UI and UX should be there, right? But more than that, when we talk about ease of use, you have to really understand that proposal management software tools should streamline your sales process. So for starters, you want to check out its editor. A drag and drop or block-based system is the better option if you're not tech savvy. In addition, proposal software often includes template libraries, which can help create personalized proposals faster and more efficiently. If possible, browse through those libraries to see whether the templates available suit your project scope. Also, you want to think about electronic signature availability. So legally binding electronic signatures make managing business agreements a lot easier. Fortunately, most proposal tools offer this feature. So depending on your location, e-signatures and contracts can be subject to certain compliance laws. So make sure the proposal management software tools follows them. And you also, in addition, it's a great idea in our view to consider the data protection features offered by the software. For example, if you are going to deal with the EU area, think about the GDPR. Also analytics. So analytics are really important also. So you want to be able to, you want the analytics to go granular. And in terms of customer support, you also want to make sure that you have all channels, right? Email, chat, live chat, phone, and what have you. In terms of pricing, make sure the pricing fits with your budget. That's really important. I mean, whether you run an agency or work as a freelancer, budget is likely an important consideration. It's a good idea to establish a maximum price when it comes to your proposal software solution. Typically, you'll need to pay by user or group of users, although some companies actually offer unlimited options. There may also be limits on the number of proposals you can create. In addition, look for tiered pricing plans that give you the opportunity to upgrade as your business and team grow. So overall, when you think about the top 10 best proposal software to simplify the proposal process, you really have to first start with your needs, right? And then your budget, and then your team size. So whether you're a freelancer, an agency, or even an enterprise, using proposal software can help you create better proposals and streamline your workflow. And the software actually provides the tools and resources to fast track the proposal process and further refine it. And so you have the likes of Prospero, PandaDoc, Responsive, but it really depends on what you're looking for. What we think you should do is to actually seize the free trial opportunity to test out the software first. And because proposal software is not cheap, but it's also not that expensive, but it still costs something, right? Expect to pay anywhere from $10 to $50 per month per user. So at that price, you want to test out the product first to make sure that it fits with your existing tech stack, but also your operational needs, right? And so you also want to think about the size of, let's say, your team or the size of your company. And also in terms of scalability, do you plan on growing, or are you currently growing, right? Because you have to think about the long run too. And also if you want a full project management solution, just keep in mind that it will be probably more expensive, and you'll likely need to request a quote. You have to contact the company, and the company will, a sales rep will talk to you, and basically will give you a quote. But one thing for sure, every client, every individual, every company can use business proposal software, not a problem. Even if you are a small business, you can basically use proposal software to actually to win sales. To win sales through contracts. You can win revenue through the regular bidding process. So that's really good. You just want software that helps you streamline the whole process. So here are our closing arguments. In today's conversation, I spoke to you about the top 10 best proposal software to simplify the proposal process. I gave you the review, the considerations, and now the closing arguments. In terms of the review, you have Prospero, PandaDoc, Lopio, Proposalify, GetAccept, Responsive, Queller, Nusi, Better Proposals, and BitSketch. Thank you so much. God bless you. I'll see you next time. Until then, remember, stay marvelous.